Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team, here to talk to you about splitting and merging slots in NetZoom. Not only do NetZoom's device models include robust 2D and 3D representations of the devices in your data center, but also true-to-life slot and port data. These slots and ports are defined in NetZoom and can be used to configure your devices. For example, this server chassis has a slot for each card that can be installed on it. However, we recognize that sometimes enterprises use non-traditional configurations with their devices. In order to facilitate this, NetZoom allows users to easily merge adjacent slots and ports together in order to fit all your device models. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Now let's navigate to the Edit Data Center feature. This feature will allow us to make ad hoc changes to our data center. Now we'll need to find our device. In this case, we're going to be using the server chassis that we saw at the beginning of this video. This server chassis, by default, has 8 slots in it, but as you can see, I've merged the first 2 slots together into one slot in order to fit a larger device. Remember, you won't be able to split or merge filled slots, only adjacent blank ones. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete 2 of these devices. We'll use the ones from slots 3 and 4. Right-click on the devices, click the delete button, and then click yes when prompted. Now that we've got our device all ready, right-click on the master node of the device and click Split/Merge Slots. As you can see, the Resize Slots form will pop up. Using this form, we can split or merge any 2 empty adjacent slots or ports to create one slot. Check the 2 adjacent slots you want to merge and then click the Merge button. As you can see, the 2 slots have been merged into one. At this point, I'm going to configure our newly merged slot, which is larger in size, with a particular card. I happen to have a card in mind, so I'll search the device library for it. And when I find it, I'll drag it over to slot 3, which is the slot we previously merged. And as you can see, when we select the device node, now we've got the larger card installed within this device. Normally, this device would be too big to fit in one of our predetermined slots, but since we've merged slots 3 and 4, it's big enough to hold it. Now, we can just as easily remove this device by right-clicking it and clicking the delete button. Once we do that, we can go back to the Resize Slots pop-up, select slot 3. Remember, only slots that have been previously merged can be split, and again, you must ensure any cards or modules are removed prior to splitting the slots again. We would do this the same way we merged our slots. Right-click on the master node and click the Split Merge Slots option. When the Resize Slots form appears, check the slot you previously merged. Then, click the Split button. Now our slots are split again, and they can easily fit the smaller devices that we saw in there before. That covers splitting and merging slots in NetZoom. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo. Thanks so much, and have a great day.